Welcome back to the show where some random Norwegian guy on the internet teaches you how to fold clothes. I'm doing a baby series here. Today is day 2 and we're having a look at onesies. So last time we did the bodies, but I figured let's have a look at onesies as well here. So if you have a hood on your onesie, I'm going to show you one way that's fantastic, and then after we'll have a look at a way you can do without hood as well. So for the ones with hoods, make sure that they're zippered up nicely, everything looks nice and neat. And then from here, I'm just going to turn it around so it's a little bit easier for me to work with this. What we're going to do is that we're going to start by folding in the arms. So all the way in on one side and all the way on the other side as well. Now they can overlap, that's no problem at all. So from here, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to start gently rolling the legs up like this, all the way from the bottom, over the arms and all the way up to the shoulder here, where it's just about the hood starts. So from here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one side of the hood here and I'm going to wrap it over this entire roll that we have created to secure it in place. Now you want to make sure that it covers all of the roll, otherwise it unravels very easily. And then I'm going to repeat the process here on the other side, pull it over all the way. Make sure that it doesn't come off on the other side too. All right, and just make some adjustment to it. Put your thumbs in as well, make it nice and even. And there we have it. So this thing is never going to come undone, or never. It's very difficult to make it come undone. This is nice place in your drawers. Also great if you have like a day bag, you want to have a onesie with you. For the ones that doesn't have a hood, this isn't going to work obviously. So I'm going to show you an alternative. Now this alternative doesn't travel as well, but I mean, this is what we can do essentially. What I'm going to show you here is a variation called a file fold. It's very popular if you're into like organizing. Marie Kondo popularized it. So since I am a single guy without any kids, at the moment anyway, imagine if I'm watching this in the future and I have had kids and I come back to watch this to like refresh my memory. Wouldn't that be kind of weird? In that case, congratulations to me, I guess. And congratulations to you as well. Anyway, let's move on. I'm starting to ramble again. So let's imagine that there is no hood here, right? From here, we're going to fold in the arms again. Now, one thing to note when we fold in the arms here is that we want to make sure that they don't come under about, let's say, 1/3 of the total length of the onesie here. So like this, and preferably they won't like overlap either. So something like this is good. Now from here, I'm going to turn it around here to the side, because next thing is that we're going to fold it over in half from side to side like this. So now that we have made this nice long thing here, just make sure that it's nice and stacked inside here. And we're going to fold it over 1/3 of the way here. Like this, the top down, and then one more time, like so. Press it down. And there you have a nice and neatly folded onesie again. So you can keep it like this if you want. If you have a file folding system, this is great to just stack it like this. You're going to press it on the sides. If it doesn't stand properly, just make the first fold slightly smaller here. Maybe you have to adjust it a little bit inside to make the arms a little bit shorter. Dun, dun, dun. And there we go. Voila. If you're into this type of videos, I'm going to do more on, I think, baby socks next, which should be cool. Also, I have this free folding cheat sheet where I show all the best way to fold clothes, mostly for adults, but you can adopt them for babies as well. It's at organizing.tv/free. And over there, we also have like this 7-day challenge where I help you reorganize your wardrobe to save a bunch of space over the span of a week, like I said. So yeah, check that out, organizing.tv/free, and I'll see you in the next video.